Are you ready for the song, mommy?
Ano?
The Bruno Mars song?
O sige, tignan mo.
Here.
Ano?
Fat, Juicy, and Wet.
Sexy Red? Sino
Sexy
yun?
Red. She's a rapper. Do you understand it?
Hindi. Paano yung sunod-sunod ang hit ni Bruno Mars Yung
You're right.
ilang weeks na yung kay Lady Gaga at sa kanya parang 2 months ata na.
I think it's Grammy nominated now.
Ang dami na niyang lahat Magkukan yan, mag-tour. Ano? I think he's gonna go on tour. Manonood ako.
I hope so.
Magtutour yan, baka gagawa siya ng album. Kaya siguro nagkukan siya.
What do you think about this song?
Hindi ko pa naiintindihan ng lyric. Unless na ma-read ko.
Maybe it's better that you don't understand.